Hey, what's going on guys? It's Alex here from Simple Mods and welcome back to another video. This is my first case mod for 2020. It's a pretty special one and I'm excited to share it with you guys. It's in the all-new i9-9900KS case. It's the smaller version of the i9-9900K and the project is inspired by one of my all-time favorite artists, Logic. The theme is based on Logic's 5th studio album, Confessions of a Dangerous Mind. I've actually had this idea to create a Logic-inspired system for quite a while as a way to pay tribute in pretty much the best way I can through a custom-built computer. Logic's music has been a huge inspiration to me over the last few years and it's really showed me a different way of looking at life. And when Confessions of a Dangerous Mind dropped last year, I loved the whole artwork concept behind it. When I heard that Logic would be making his first appearance in Australia in December last year, that's what pretty much pushed me to start working on the system and bring my vision to life. And of course, the artwork was made by Sam Spratt, who has made the artwork for pretty much all of Logic's albums, and you'll find a link to his website down in the video description. The plan was to actually finish the system just around the time Logic would be in Sydney for the concert. However, I soon realized with getting all the parts organized that it was not going to happen in time. And then also, to my disappointment, as well as to many others, I'm sure, the festival that Logic was supposed to headline actually got cancelled, which then unfortunately cancelled Logic's concerts as well. So here we are at the start of 2020. And I managed to get this beast of a system finished. It's got dual AORUS GeForce RTX 2080 Ti graphics cards. It's running the Intel i9-9900K 5GHz processor off the Z390 AORUS XTREME motherboard, and it's all custom water cooled by EK. So I want to say a huge thanks to GIGABYTE AORUS, NVIDIA, Intel, EK Waterblocks, Win, Seagate, and CableMod for the support on this system, as well as thanks to Ethan from Technology and Gaming for helping print out the artwork, and also to Claire from Gear Seekers for making the artwork fit well with my measurements and design that allowed me to wrap various parts of the case. The artwork actually also allowed me to play with quite a few different colors inside this system, and I'm really liking the combination. It's very different compared to other systems I've done in the past. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this build video, and if one day I get to build a case mod for Logic directly, well, that would be crazy and definitely a dream come true. I mean, I never thought that case modding would bring me to where I am today, so the possibilities are limitless. Alright guys, so I really hope you enjoyed this time-lapse build video. I'm actually pretty keen to see how this system performs with the dual 2080 Ti's and the 9900KS, so I will be back with a quick benchmarking video on this system. Stay tuned, give us a like if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers!